Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best cooking stove. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Jetboil Genesis Basecamp Backpacking and Camping Stove. Cooking system with camping cookware. Brand, Jetboil. Fuel type, propane. Material, aluminum. Product dimensions, 10.3 inch LX 10.3 WX 7.2H. Power source, fuel_powered. Maximum energy output, 10,000 British thermal units. Item weight, 9.1 pounds. Portable dual burner, works as a standalone 2-burner camp stove or pairs with other JetLink compatible stoves, sold separately, to create a full range, cookware included. Group cooking system, prepare simple or gourmet meals with adjustable flame control that handles anything from low simmer to fast boil. Powerful outdoor range, equipped with 10,000 BTUs per burner, boils 33.8 fluid ounces, 1 L, of water in just over 3 minutes, performs in cold conditions down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact system, burners fold and nest inside cook pot to save space when packing for any outdoor adventure. Stove equipment fits into carrying case. Kit includes 2-burner Genesis stove, 10-inch ceramic-coated non-stick fry pan, 5-liter flux ring pot with strainer lid, windscreen, fuel regulator, carry bag, compatible with 16.4-ounce propane canister, fuel sold separately. Number 2. Fire Maple Fix Star 1 Backpacking and Camping Stove System. Outdoor propane cooking gear. Portable pot/jet burner set. Ideal for hiking, trekking, fishing, hunting trips and emergency use. Brand, Fire Maple. Fuel type, liquefied petroleum gas. Material, aluminum. Power source, propane, butane, isobutane. Maximum energy output, 7,500 British thermal units. Item weight, 18.03 ounces. Highly efficient, our industry-leading heat exchange technology minimizes wind impact and reduces boiling times by up to 30% compared to traditional backpacking stoves. Compact and lightweight, all accessories including stove, bowl and fuel canister fit into the 1-liter cookpot. This set does not include a fuel canister, but is compatible with most canisters except the Coleman fuel canisters. This item weighs only 18 ounces. Integrated and easy-to-use system, the 1-liter cooking pot and the stove are one integrated unit. The built-in piezoelectric igniter ignites the stove instantly. Safe, sturdy and durable, the sturdy, hard anodized aluminum pot features a locking stainless steel handle for secure and safe handling. This combined with the insulating neoprene cover on the pot will ensure years of safe outdoor cooking pleasure. Please use a windscreen when using the stove for better performance in windy conditions. Number 3. Nomad Cooking System. Electric Camping Stove 200-1000W with pan and pot, 120V portable outdoor cooking gear set, windproof cookware for RV, EV, overland, van life, car camping. Material, stainless steel. Color, black. Brand, Stoke Voltaics. SIS, E standard. Handle material, stainless steel. Versatile power source compatibility. Nomad Cooking System is an electric cookware with 5 power levels from 200W to 1000W that seamlessly integrates with car inverters, fuel generators, portable power stations and RV power sources, making it the ultimate outdoor electricity cooking solution for car camping, electric vehicles, recreational vehicles, overlanding and van life. Windproof and reliable heating. Unlike traditional flame-based cookware that struggle in windy conditions, our Nomad outdoor electric cooking set ensures consistent heating without the risk of being extinguished, guaranteeing you safe, warm meals even in challenging weather or while on the move in your car. Premium durable material. Crafted with 304 food-safe and exceptional hard material, our electric camping stove is engineered to ensure safety and withstand the toughest outdoor conditions, preventing leaks and deformation caused by potential drops and impacts. Sizzling pan and bubbling pot. The Nomad sizzling pan is capable of precisely modulating the interplay of heat and power, guaranteeing uninterrupted heating for perfect sizzling delights. Meanwhile, the bubbling pot, powered by intelligent algorithms, ensures your culinary creations reach perfection with every bubble. Nomad Cooking Reactor. It is capable of automatically tailoring cooking programs for your cookware with smart cookware recognition tech and intelligent cooking programs. Ash-free, clean and compact. Enjoy a spotless heating experience with no black ash residue to clean up, ensuring no contamination or hassle. The modular design of our portable camping stove allows for a compact fit in storage boxes and organizers. Number 4. Jetboil Half Gen Basecamp Camping Cooking System. Use the Half Gen as a standalone stove or couple it to other JetLink compatible stoves to create an outdoor cooking range. Ideal for all of your cooking needs in the outdoors, the Beastly 10000 BTU heating system also boils water in just over 3 minutes, perfect for melting snow or making coffee. Jetboil proprietary regulator technology offers incremental heat adjustments from light simmer to full boil. The system's 9-inch ceramic-coated fry pan offers non-stick performance for eggs, pancakes, burgers, and more. Includes 9-inch fry pan, compatible with 5-liter flux pot, not included, regulated for consistent performance to 20 degrees Fahrenheit -6 degrees Celsius, weighs 3.5 pounds. 1 year limited. For any adventure, from alpine expedition to a weekend trek, Jetboil offers a stove that will keep you fueled. When exploring the backcountry, a compact and efficient stove is fundamental, no matter the level of cuisine you want to create. Number 5. Fire Maple Fixed Star X2 Backpacking and Camping Stove. System Outdoor Propane Camp Cooking Gear. Portable pot jet burner set ideal for hiking, trekking, fishing, hunting trips and emergency use. Brand, Fire Maple. Fuel type, liquefied petroleum gas. Material, aluminum. Product dimensions, 5.24-inch LX 5.24 WX 8.07H. Power source, propane, butane, isobutane. Maximum energy output, 2,200 watts. Item weight, 1.32 pounds. Highly efficient, our industry-leading heat exchange technology minimizes wind impact and reduces boiling times by up to 30% compared to traditional camping stoves. Compact and lightweight, all accessories including stove, pot, pan support, canister stand and fuel canister, not included, fit into the 1-liter cook pot. This propane camping stove weighs only 22 ounces. Note, this set does not include a fuel canister. Coleman standard canister is wider and will not fit in well with the X2 pot. Integrated and easy to use system, the 1-liter cooking pot and the stove are one integrated unit. The built-in piezoelectric igniter ignites the stove instantly. Safe, sturdy and durable, the sturdy, hard anodized aluminum pot features a locking stainless steel handle for secure and safe handling. This combined with the insulating neoprene cover on the pot will ensure years of safe outdoor cooking pleasure. Please use a windscreen when using the stove for better performance in windy conditions. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.